So you guys want to know how you guys can stop spam on your Discord server? Well, this video is just for you guys because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can stop the spam on Discord. So there are basically some members in Discord, which continuously spams on the Discord server writing whatever thing they want. So to stop those spam is pretty simple, but the first thing is you need to be the leader of the Discord server. By that I mean you need to be the admin of the server or the owner of the server. Basically, if you see, a crown beside your name, it basically means you're the owner of the server or admin. So let's say there's a lot of spam in this Discord server, which is my server, and I want to, stop the spam. Basically, what I want to do is first you need to select the channel in which there is, a lot of spam. So let's say a lot of people are spamming on this channel, which is the general channel of my Discord. So let's say I want to stop the spam in this channel. So to stop the spam in this channel, basically I need to click on the gear icon right beside the channel name, alright? So once I click on edit channel, this page opens up, and after this page opens up, basically what you want to do is enable your slow mode. So right now I have enabled my slow mode to 5 seconds and click on save changes. Basically now whoever has to type something, they need to wait for 5 seconds after typing something. So if I go back over here, it shows slow mode is enabled but you are immune amazing, which means that I'm the owner of the server, so the slow mode is not gonna stop me. But for the normal member of the server, they need to wait 5 seconds after typing every message. All right, so this is basically gonna stop the spam, because the person who is spamming has to wait 5 seconds to type another message. And you can also increase the time duration by going to edit channel. It's up to 6 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. You can put whichever you want, 5 seconds, 20 seconds. Just click on save change by putting your desired number over here, and then the person has to wait for that long time to type another message. And if you want to turn it on, it's pretty simple as well. Just drag it to off and click on save changes, and if I go back right now, my slow mode should be turned off. So yeah, so that's basically how you guys can stop spam on Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.